think this is recording now. So this is my laptop screen, and right over here I have tutorials that I need to upload. Up here I have my other tutorials that I need to edit. Cat eyes edited, blue smoky edited, doing Bella's makeup needs to be edited, this unedited folder edited. Oh, just the salon leave, doing Bella's makeup, perfect. So now I'm coming down here, and I have a MacBook Pro, and I'm going to click on my, let me just click on my iMovie. So this is my iMovie in here. These are projects that I've already edited and stuff. So I'm going to, when I click theater, it takes you to create a new movie. Oh no, I'm sorry, when I click theater, it takes you to what the files that have already been done and saved. So I'm going to click this plus sign over here, and then it will say movie or trailer. And I want to do a movie, which means a tutorial. I don't want to do a trailer. I want to do my makeup tutorial. So it's going, and you get to choose a theme. So I always choose simple because it's on simple. Click create movie. I'm actually going to edit my makeup tutorial. I can't remember which tutorial I need to edit. So let me just write tutorial 2015. Because I can't remember which tutorial I need to edit. Clicking OK. Then it takes me to this little area here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just come down here, and I'm going to find my files. Click my finder, click documents, gray leads, purple crease. No, click desktop, sorry. And then, did I already edit blue smoky? Oh, did I edit the cat eyes? Did I? I don't know if I edited the cat eyes, you know. Oh my god. Okay, let's say I didn't edit the cat eyes. That's the cat eyes. So I'm going to double click, and then whatever is in there, just going to Command A. I'm going to drag everything down here now. Look at my face. I'm going to drag everything down there. Then I'm going to press the yellow button, which minimizes the window. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to make the you can make the clips longer, or you can make it shorter. See, all the way here, longer, shorter. So going to the second one, and I'm going to be muting this clip because Jonathan is sleeping right beside me. So come up here, auto, and just click that sound button, and it's muted. So this is how I edit my videos. Press play. This is what I need to do. Cat eye, I think I want to put my Jamaican makeup artist. So I just double click on the where the clips are, and tutorial, and I'm going to click up in here, and I'm going to put Jamaican makeup artist because I'm promoting this Instagram, so I want to put that there. Then to scroll down here, go to Finder. I think I'll see Finder down here, so click that. Then I'm going to go to Documents, and then I'm going to scroll until I see my Instagram. Fontana, Periscope PNG. I need to find my Instagram PNG. So what I was searching for. Put it beside. Am I not? Why am I not seeing it? Instagram logo. Okay, here we go. I'm going to grab this. Just grab it and drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Double click the image in here. Then come up here. Click picture in picture. That means the picture is within the picture. So I can move it anywhere I want to. And I soon tell you why I went back to tutorial 15 and stay for Jamaican makeup artist. Then I'm going to click up here, 1, 2, 3, the fourth icon. Then I'm going to select crop to fill. I have to always click that blue arrow. Double tap again, and I want to make this smaller. A little bit smaller. Then I'm going to double click up here. Then I'm going to type JANAICAN FONTANA makeup artist, and I have to click the blue arrow up there. So I'm going to bring this over some more. No, so I'm going to double click this and make it the same length. Make it the same length as the wording. Press play. See, it comes up. Jamaican makeup artist. Alright, so I'm literally editing this video right now. So I'm going to speed through this part. This part is pretty simple. I want to scrub through the clip, see what I need to speed through. Whenever I look down, that's when I'm going to stop and speed clip. And that's the first clip is already selected, come up here, then I'm going to speed fast, so that section is moving fast. Don't know what I'm looking for, but I'm going to edit that out. LA girl, split clip, delete that. So this is from Fontana. I normally have the logo, Fontana's logo kind of scroll, split clip. And how I split out, well, I have a Mac, so if you have a Mac, you know how to split. Where is it? Oh, it's in my finder. Where's my finder? Alright, I'm going to make this logo today. Let's drag and draw. Now I want to do a second how I edit my videos, or specific. If you have any questions or anything, I can do specifics. Double tap again, go to up here, click picture in picture, and that's how it comes, picture in picture. Then I'm going to make it small, put it over here, so, and then I go to this icon here. I'm gonna see what this do. Rotate. Oh, it changed the color, see? Nice, okay. So double, oh, I'm going to click that. Then I want to kind of make it move. So I'm going to click outside, and click outside the clip is you're at the start. I'm not sure if you understand. When I click inside, it's the end. It's the end. Then start, end, start, end, start. So I want it to start probably up here. And I'm going to set it. Hold on, let's see what that does. See, it's scrolling a little bit, the logo. And then I think, can I split? I can't do the split clip. Alright, I'm going to go back to the, and it's on Ken Burns, so it starts up here. Then I'm going to click end, and end. You know what? I want it to end wide. So set that. Start from there. And you see how it's the Fontana, how it is just. You see how it's getting wider and wider and wider and wider. You can probably fool around with your iMovie and to see what's going on. So I'm just going to scrub and speed through this part. Split clip, that's there. It's already highlighted, so I'm just going to say fast and scrub through again. Split clip, scrub through. Split clip. Just gonna speed through that. Because it's just applying the something there. And I've had makeup tutorials where, you know, I don't have to speed up anything in this video. Just split that. cut out where I'm reaching for something. This is just basic editing. I wanted another video where I'm going into in-depth editing. I don't like when I'm reaching back for stuff. Split that clip. I don't like when I'm reaching back for stuff. It's just ill. And that's in my mouth. It's like, girl, what are you doing, boo? Why is it doing it? Split clip. Delete. See my face? Look at my face. Alright, so right here, it's just, it messed up. I'm not sure if you can see. Wait, did I already? Hold on, let me see what's going on here. See it mess up? See, like double. I should probably try a double one. That LA Pro Conceal is from Fontana Pharmacy. Drag it and drop it. Double tap. Oh no. Picture in picture. Make it smaller. I'm gonna put it over here this time. Then go to the crop thingy. Then end there. So let's see how that is. Oh, I need to bring it over some more. Oops. Dang it. I don't know. Select it. Then move it. Then I'm going to just see what else is good. I don't think I'll be editing anything else here. Just going to be adding. Okay, guys. So Jonathan is now up, so I can speak as loudly as I want. So I'm coming back down here to my iMovie. And I'm just going to be cleaning, just cutting that part and just showing you what I did. So clean it up so that everything is even. I'm trying to remember where I wore this look, and I cannot for the life of me remember where I wore it. So remember what I told you guys, that whenever I select a clip and stuff, it gets yellow. And when it gets yellow, it means it can be deleted or sped up or whatever. So now I'm just going to go back in with the Fontana logo. Of course. Then I'm going to double click, go up here, picture in picture, then make it smaller. And I'm just going to leave it. I won't do the Ken Burns or anything. I'm just going to leave it as is, so you guys can see. So I'm just, you see how the clip is yellow? So I'm just going to click delete on my laptop. So now again, there's another item from Alright, you guys, so that is how I edit my makeup tutorials. Oh no, I need to add music. So I'm going to go up to audio right now. Then beat them, but I only have a little bit of music in my playlist, so that's why I keep on replaying the same old. Just take it and drag it right where the clip begins. Hold on. Artist spell wrong. Jamaican makeup artist. Yes. Okay. And then I'm going to go into Golden Text. So these songs are all by DAJ. And then I'm going to go into I am born again. Me no mean mommy give me birth over.
Yep, send me devil officer. See my guy for you. Born again.
New life.
Check it. I am born.
Then I'm going to come down here. Select. Ooh. It's not making me select it. Well, I want to split the clip, but I can't. I have to bring it in. Then this little circle thingy, going to bring that over so that it can fade.
Make it over. And the blood leak over. Me coming on the sun where the sea over. If you feel say that you can reach over, if you hurt me, you get knocked and can't reach.
Alright, so that is basically it. How I edit my makeup tutorials. This one is 8. Oh, this one is 8 minutes. long. So I'm going to come up here and say file, tutorial. I'm trying to remember if I had done this already. Cat eyes. Next. I think I edited document, save. Then I'm going to go up to projects, then go to theater, and it's being saved. So it's creating the movie, then it's going to save it, and yeah, that's it. That's how I edit my makeup tutorials. Right, Jonathan? Right? Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I apologize if you heard Jonathan there in the background. He's up and I think he's learning to talk because he keeps on making these sounds. So yeah, so thank you guys. Thank you for supporting my Tech Tuesdays, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. He's with me.